जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
नमस्ते सभी को। Respected today's chief guest, engineer Incon Gigi, President Idumismi Hotel and Literacy Society, come Superintendent Engineer Farmer. Yusuf Gandhi ji, Zonal Organizing Secretary, Akhil Bharati Vidyarthi Parishad, Shri Akram Chaudhary, Secretary, Arunachal from ABVP, all the Karyakarta of ABVP, and brother and sister of Roy. It is great privilege for me to stand in front of you to welcome today's chief guest. Sir, on behalf of Akhil Bharati Vidyarthi Parishad Arunachal Front, I welcome you in this today's state training camp of Eastern Arunachal Front. I also welcome Shri Nirup Gilani ji, Zonal Organizing Secretary of ABVP. I also extend my welcome to Shri Akram Chaudhary, Secretary, Arunachal from ABVP. I also welcome all the Karyakarta and the officials of ABVP, Arunachal Front and the other part of India. Sir, it is my privilege to advise you that ABVP, the Akhil Bharati Vidyarthi Parishad, is the largest student organization of the world, not only in India. ABVP established in 1949 by some pure intellectual of the university profession. The moment when India became independent, at that time, the Indian position was not good what today we have, because we Indian or India were under the yoke of British for the 2 centuries. Therefore, after the leaving of British and we got independent, then a few intellectuals, they thought that unless until if we are not able to channelize the youth power of the nation, the India cannot be reconstructed. Therefore, they conceived the idea of the ABVP, Akhil Bharati Vidyarthi Parishad, the one of the largest student organization of India at that time. And slowly and gradually, ABVP grew up, and now we have the largest student organization of the world. Sir, as you know that ABVP, the Akhil Bharati Vidyarthi Parishad, believe that especially the citizen, the student, they have to be acquire the knowledge. Without acquiring the knowledge, the person or the individual is useless. To channelize the youth power, we have to be inculcate knowledge to the youth of our nation. And through the youth, we can able to reconstruct our nation. Therefore, ABVP believes that the knowledge is the power. And through knowledge, we can change our society, change our nation, and change the world. Therefore, ABVP emphasizes the knowledge. And another one is knowledge is again not a sufficient or it is incomplete unless until if knowledge not added with a character. Therefore, ABVP feel that the student or the youth whom we are imparting the knowledge or education of the different field of the society, it should be with a character. Therefore, ABVP believe that a character building should be there. Along with the knowledge, we ABVP give much emphasis on the character or character building of this youth of the nation. Along with the character, ABVP feel that this knowledge and character is incomplete. Knowledge and character will be materialized when we think about a unity. The person may have a good knowledge. The person may have a good character unless until if we are not able to unite them. And if we are able to unite the person of character, a knowledgeable person, a character person, then we able to reconstruct the nation, the Bharat as a one nation, one Bharat. Therefore, ABVP believe that knowledge, character, and the unity. This is the ideology of the ABVP. Therefore, sir, we always give training to our young student so that we can able to take their energy in the right channel. Sir, for the impression of our youth, we adopt Swami Vivekananda as our idol person. What Swamiji has given a knowledge, what Swamiji has given a thought, and that thought will be a good for us. Along with the Swamiji, we always demonstrate or display the photo of Mata Saraswati Ji because we believe that Mata Saraswati Ji is the source of the knowledge. Therefore, being a student, we have to be pray Mata Saraswati Ji. Through Mata Saraswati Ji, we got the knowledge. And this you will be witness every occasion of ABVP. This photo of the Swami Vivekananda and the Mata Saraswati Ji. Here the basic aim of training is to impart the basic knowledge of the ABVP because, sir, you know that each organization, each profession, we have certain basic things which we have to be knowing. For that, we impart a training, state training to students. Because to be a ABVP, just I have told you that here knowledge, character, and the unity. And unless if the Karyakarta, they don't have the basic knowledge or the basic functioning knowledge of the ABVP, they cannot be a successful Karyakarta. To make a successful Karyakarta, we ABVP impart training to the new Karyakarta as well as the old Karyakarta. Because you know that, sir, for the professional, say for example in the teacher, we used to have an orientation course and a refresher course. Like that in army, in the defense, when the new weapon or the new machinery or the new arms developed or discovered or the manufactured, then they have given a training or the training in the form of the refresher course, in the form of the orientation course. Like that, the young student of the society, we give a training of the ABDP for their personal development, for their gaining knowledge, for their good citizen, for their unity, for their to imbibe the knowledge of the Bharat Mata. For that, in Arunachal Pradesh, we have divided two camps, one for Eastern Arunachal and another for Western Arunachal. Because when we invite huge number of the students, then our training is not fulfilled. Therefore, we limited the student, number of the students. Say for example, 100, 200 for the one training camp. But this time, due to the COVID pandemic, we invited only a limited student. And we have to be maintain the SOP of the government. Otherwise, we would invite 100 or 200 students. But due to a COVID pandemic, we have invite limited students. And these students will be go for 2 days training. And these 2 days, within these 2 days, we will be give the basic knowledge of the ABDP, about the ABDP to these students. For this purpose, we organized a state training camp. Sir, I am very much glad to have a nice person or a knowledgeable person like you in this our state training camp. I hope that my Karyakarta, ABDP Karyakarta, they will be materialize whatever the speech delivered in this platform by you. With this few words, once again I welcome you all in this state training camp at the Rowing DKB. Thank you.